Bonjour à tous! It's so lovely to be back with you guys for another episode of Cha-Ching.
Hey guys, welcome back, and I don't know what my partner is trying to do with this her French. Anyway, last time we were here, we asked you guys to send us stories about bank accounts, and he certainly didn't disappoint.
Just thought I'd put my French skills to good use, you know? And yes, we love seeing so many people setting up their bank accounts. Oh, and our Cha-Ching Super Savers Challenge is now in its second week, so keep that going. Emeka, why do you look so gloomy today?
My PS4 stopped working, and I'm saving up for my company, so I don't have any money to use to fix my PS4.
Such an annoying setback, but at least you have some of your emergency stash that you can use to get it fixed.
That might not be an option.
What do you mean? Are you trying to say that you don't have any money stashed away for emergencies?
Not a single penny.
Oh dear. What are you gonna do? Anyway, you can be figuring that out whilst we get started with today's video.
What's wrong, Charity?
I have a puncture. We can get you another bike. Maybe get a cute pink one? I don't think I need to buy a brand new bike, Pepper.
What about your backup plan?
Backup plan?
Well, you've got the money you earn, the money you save, the money you spend, the money you gave. But what about those extras down the track? There'll be bumps and fleas and things like these, taking the hard-earned money from your front pocket and the back.
Stash a little extra savings away.
Saving extra, come what may. Lets the sun shine on your dime all the time. Make a plan, call it just in case. It's insurance when your budget's out of place. Just in case. Keep some money aside just to cover every base. Just in case you break your Xbox or find yourself walking home in the rain.
Oh, there's unknowns out there. Better to be prepared.
So you've saved real hard, then you spend it all. Love what you bought, then you get a call. You've got a late fee on a recent DVD. And up your sleeve there's a little reprieve, 'cause you've thought ahead, now everything's alright. Just in case. You gotta keep in mind that your things will sometimes break. You'll need money if your bike gets stolen or your mom scratches up the car. Just in case. Keep some money aside just to cover every base. Just in case you need it, save it just in case. Keep it, save it, stash it, hide it, hero, save it, do it just in case. Just in case.
I wish I'd seen that video a couple of weeks ago. That would have saved me so much stress.
Well, now you know, and maybe next time you could even get insurance on something as important to you as your PS4.
Yeah, but isn't insurance only for important things like hospital and car?
No, insurance is just an amount of money you set aside for accidents or emergencies, but instead of putting it in a bank, you just pay it to a company, and if anything goes wrong, like your house catches on fire or your PS4 breaks, then the company will pay for the damage.
So I could get insurance for my PS4?
Yeah, there's insurance for everything these days. House insurance, travel insurance, life insurance. Taylor Swift even got her legs insured, so I'm sure you'd be able to get PS4 insurance somewhere.
Wow. I thought I knew about insurance, but it seems like there's so much more to learn.
Oh, there most definitely is. So if you're watching this at home thinking, wow, I want to learn more about insurance too, then it's your lucky day because we have a special guest from Prudential Zenith Insurance here to answer all of our questions. Hello, Isioma. Thank you so much for being here today. Before we start, please can you tell us a bit about who you are and what you do?
Okay, thank you for having me. My name is Isioma Olowu. I'm the Chief Commercial Officer at Prudential Zenith Life, and I'm happy to be here.
We are so glad to have you here. So tell me, what is insurance and how does it work?
So insurance is basically a company guarantees to an individual or another company that they will compensate them should any kind of unfortunate event happen. So something very bad would happen to the individual or to the company. So a loss or a damage, or unfortunately maybe someone passes on. So they guarantee that they will compensate that person or the company, and in return for a specific payment, which is called a premium.
Thank you very much. So, what are the most common types of insurance?
So it spans across different spectrums. So you have life insurance, which is what my company is into. There is health insurance. There's also insurance that has to do with covering the house that someone lives in. There's also even insurance to cover a mobile phone or your shoes or your items, the clothes you wear, if it's, or art. So you have all those kind of insurance. Even car insurance is also a type of insurance as well.
Thank you.
Okay. So, why is insurance important?
So insurance is very important because it's a great tool that someone can use to forget the worries of life, or forget some of the worries of life. And it also allows for someone to recover quickly in terms of their financial standing should an unfortunate event, that's a very sad, very bad event, takes place in their life, whether it be a damage, loss, whatever it may be, and it allows them to recover quickly and not to feel that loss so much. So that's why it's so important, and it really helps to protect the individual or the company.
Thank you so much. So, as you've heard, insurance helps you rest easy should anything happen. Thank you so much, Isioma, for coming. This has been really insightful.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you so much to Isioma from our wonderful sponsors at Prudential Zenith Insurance for taking the time in to come and discuss with us today. That was so informative. I'm going straight home to ask my parents if we have insurance.
Me too. I'm going to be driving soon, and well, you know how these Nigerian drivers can be.
Oh, I most definitely do. But from what we said today, it seems like insurance might be more useful for bigger things like houses or cars.
Yeah, I guess, but it seems like everything can be insured nowadays.
Yeah, that's true, but it sounds like it might not be the best option for everyone, which is why we can also use budgeting. Budgets are great. They help us plan and prepare for emergencies without having to buy an insurance plan by calculating our estimated spending, saving, earning, and of course, donating.
But how much money are you meant to put in your emergency budget?
Well, obviously, you start with how much you earn, either from your parents as pocket money or from your own work. And then you have to figure out how much do I need to save, spend, and donate.
Oh, so when I get my paycheck, I can save 30%, donate 30%, spend 30%, and then put 10% in my emergency budget.
Exactly.
Oh, okay.
You're an expert already.
So what do you think I should do with my PS4 problem?
Well, I think now you'll just have to spend all the money you have to repair it. But if you start, gathering money now, the next time it breaks, you won't have to empty out your bank account getting it fixed.
Okay. Now I see what I have to do. Now guys, make sure to message us on how much money you'll be putting away into your emergency budget every week. Also, if you want to learn more about budgeting and insurance, you should check out the Junior Achievement Financial Literacy series.
Our Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Twitter account and text will be displayed right here on the screen so you can send in all your savvy budgets. We can't wait to see them. And never forget to subscribe to our YouTube if you haven't already.
Remember guys,
Don't be a Muppet, have an emergency budget.